everyone, this is Priyanka. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video is going to address about how I used to practice English with home, or you can make it precise by saying how I learned speaking in English language. So let's commence discussion about today's video. Before all else, I started speaking with myself. I used to do self-practice in order to gain basic confidence, in order to develop a basic skill of speaking. Okay, I don't know about what would be your confidence, what would be your level of confidence, but in my case, I didn't have the minimum courage to speak with other people and to have a conversation with a stranger. So I prefer to do self-practice by standing in front of the mirror, and I did this for 1 month. Okay, then I started practice with one of my friend. I started speaking with one of my friend, and we both were in the beginner level. Okay, every day we used to talk for an hour, and it has become our habit. Okay, and the most interesting thing was that most of our conversation used to go over our mind. Sometimes we couldn't understand what we are speaking about, but we never stop. We never stop ourselves from being practiced regularly. Okay, and there was no fear of being judgment because we both were familiar with each other. So according to me, being in a beginner level, if you are going to do your practice with someone whose fluency is better than you, whose speaking skill is better than you, then certainly you would feel hesitant. Okay, you would feel scared. So it is better to do self-practice first. Okay, when I understood that I become quite good at speaking, I started my practice with several free online learning applications. I will share link of all those applications that I have came across. Okay, so the name of the applications are Ace Fluency, English Buddy. I know most of you have heard the name of this application. Let me tell you which one was best for me. So English Buddy was good for me, but Ace Fluency was best for me because this really had an important role in my spoken English, in my journey of learning English. Since the user of this application are so real and genuine, in words I can say they are dedicated learner. Okay, but one of the disadvantage of this application that you will get only 25 minutes in a day. I was the regular user of this application, and I don't know, suddenly my time has increased from 25 minutes to more than 1 hour. Okay, if I talk about English Buddy application, then this is a good application for improving your spoken English, but this application has some network issue. Well, network issue may vary location to location. Okay, but a big advantage of this application is that you will have unlimited time to talk, unlimited time to practice. There is no restriction of time. Okay, I used to do one thing for improving my English that would be quite interesting for you, and that was interesting for me as well. I used to call customer care having an inquiry about a particular product. Well, it didn't went good for me. Otherwise, I have disclosed everything related to how I used to practice, how I improved my spoken English. Okay, start your learning, and gradually I will provide more ideas which will guide you improve your English naturally. Okay, don't forget to share your comments on today's video. Whatever I have shared was my real experience. I hope it would help you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.